Hi, I'm Chris and this is Burn Baby Burn Maker Studio. Welcome inside the studio. I said I'd give you a quick tour of the blast gate and female bayonet connector I made for the CamVac series, and today I aim to do just that. So you're probably familiar with the new style bayonet connector that's used with record power CamVacs, and also has been added to their the record power fixed tools, static tools like their bandsaws. What's not available though is a female connector that you can add to panels or to workbenches or cabinets or anything that you might be making. So it's either a connector that's already installed on a CamVac itself, or on some of the record power tools. So what I did was I developed designed and 3D printed, this is in PETG, a female panel mount connector, and as I pointed out in the last video, I integrated in with that a simple blast gate arrangement. And so what I've done in my own workshop is panel mount that with some hidden ducting. So you can simply insert the male bayonet connector into the female receptacle. And this is where I've mounted it all. Hopefully you can see this fairly clearly. I've got two panel mounts here. The red is for my Trotec Speedy 100 CO2 laser. So it's a fume extraction duct leading to a low volume, low pressure extraction fan venting externally. And then I've also got the higher volume, higher pressure CamVac ducting, which terminates here on this female connector that I designed. And as I said, the blue one, this blue one is the blast gate control for the CamVac. So leaving that open and inserting the male bayonet connector and my 100mm 4-inch hose is as simple as that. And you probably may have caught that I also took the time to automate the CamVac itself. So I've got automation for the two motors on my 2-motor CamVac 55 litre version, and I've integrated that with an Alexa skill. So Alexa, suck dust. So I've turned on both the CamVac motors. The CamVac is hidden in the corner cabinet here and noise isolated, so it's much lower noise than if it was out in the workshop itself. And of course, it's out of my way while I'm working. So this is providing a 2 kilowatt dual motor extraction via the 4-inch 100mm ducting inside the cabinetry out to that port here with the female connector. My bayonet connection is made here and through to the large static machines that I have. So this is my brand new but non-functional Hammer F3. Looking forward to hearing back from Felder about what they're going to do about getting that working. But it's a great little system. Alexa, don't suck dust. It's as simple as that. So nice integration, very user-friendly and convenient. That automation of the CamVac is done using a Shelly 1 smart relay. It's a Shelly 1 PM. It's got power monitoring in it, combined with a soft start filter. So there's one relay and one filter for each motor, wired in series with the in parallel rather with the rocker switch that's on the CamVac. So it's a plug and play addition to the CamVac without cutting any wires or making any major alterations. Avoids any contact welding because it's a high inrush current from the CamVac motors, but by using the soft start filter you can kind of hear it ramp up. It's the Shelly is able to switch that quite effectively. The alternative would be to use a contactor, and I chose not to do that in this case. Anyway, hope you found this interesting and useful, and talk to you soon.